Okay, I'm just going to take off this side plate. Doesn't look like I'll have any trouble getting this part loose. I'll just have to see how the screws really come off. Actually, I'll just take it off with that intact. Take off both electrical plugs there. And we'll figure this out later. Just want to take this off. That one's already loose. This one is for a circuit breaker on the back, and this one's for a ground wire. Don't know which ones have nuts on them and which ones don't. Let's see what happens. That had a nut, regular nut. And the other one looks like it has a nut also. Let's see if it'll come loose. Gotta get a backing wrench. Okay, I took off the lower wire there. That was a grounding wire. One more bolt up at the top I missed, right under here. That one hasn't been off in a while. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to start with replacing the fuel lines. I'm just going to replace every line on the machine. There's only 3. There's you got your fuel valve here, you got your reserve line, your regular line, and your line to the engine. So all pretty straightforward. The only thing I don't have right now, and I just noticed I needed it, or might need it, is these are getting kind of crusty, kind of cracked. Wouldn't mind if I had a new one of those for both that and the wiring over here. Alright, I'm going to just pull it back through this way. This one's probably the stiffest because it's with the up there with the engine heat all the time. That's why I'm replacing them, because they have no suppleness to them anymore, and they could get a crack real easy. I'm going to just take all the clips off and make it easy. Okay, I've got the first line from the back center going to the engine done. I'm just going to do these one at a time. This is for the standard fuel pickup. And the best way to do this would have been to measure exactly from the one I took off, but unfortunately it's a little too hard. It kind of just wants to stay in the position it's in, so I couldn't really pull it out easily to fish the new one in, so I had to fish that one in where the other one came out, so it didn't really work out to measure it. So I'm going to just have to do the rough estimating. Yeah. Okay, and then the reserve fuel line is the next. Okay, so here's our system. It'll live somewhere up in that range, so it's got good play. You know, I don't know if it's an inch high or low or whatever, but the engine one is the same size, and those will reach. I got them all tied into the tank there. All brand new lines, nothing to go bad anytime soon.